In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save your own editing preset in CapCut, fast and easy. Whether you're a seasoned video editor or just starting your journey, mastering the art of saving your own presets can significantly streamline your creative process, saving you both time and energy for future projects. Let's dive into the step-by-step guide on how to do just that. First, you'll want to customize your graphic elements to your liking. This could include text adjustments, color grading tweaks, or transitions, anything that will give your video that unique touch you desire. Spend some time making sure each element aligns perfectly with your vision. This personalization is crucial because you're essentially setting the foundation for your preset. Make sure everything looks just as you want because each detail will be saved for future use. Once you've perfected your adjustments, the next step is to right-click on the effect or adjustment layer. This is where you start the actual process of saving your preset. Right-clicking will open up a menu of options related to your chosen element, offering a variety of actions you can apply to your video edit. Among these options, you'll see the choice to Save as Preset. Select this option to move forward. This action essentially captures all those adjustments you've meticulously made and compiles them into a single preset that you can effortlessly apply to any future project. It's the magic wand that allows you to replicate your creative flair with just a few clicks. After selecting Save as Preset, a dialog box will appear, prompting you to name your preset. Naming your preset is a vital step, as this name will help you quickly identify it from a list of potentially numerous presets. Choose a name that accurately reflects the changes you made or the theme of the preset, making it easily recallable when you need it later on. With your preset named and saved, you've reached the final and most satisfying step, accessing it anytime from your Presets tab. You can find this tab within CapCut's interface, usually conveniently located for easy access during your editing sessions. Whenever you start a new project or work on existing content, simply navigate to your Presets tab and apply your custom preset with a swift click. This feature truly enhances your workflow efficiency, elevating your projects with consistency and style. And there you have it. Saving your own editing preset in CapCut is a breeze once you understand the process. This skill can empower you to create content that maintains a high level of quality and personalization across all your projects. Enjoy the simplicity of applying complex effects and adjustments in an instant, and continue crafting videos that truly reflect your unique creative vision. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.